I got this faux olive tree for this big vase behind me in my living room. I have tried so many trees here, but I keep killing them, so I thought I would give this a try. It comes in a relatively small box in 2 pieces. This is the 5-foot tree. Here's the base. It has a little moss in the bottom, you can see. The trunk is pretty realistic looking. I was impressed. Here is the second piece, the branches. You can see the leaves have a lot of detail, and the olives look really good. The top fits right into the bottom. You just click them together, but you see those white tabs there? They are supposed to line up like this. It works if you don't line them up, but it's just a little wobbly and off balance. So now I'm just kind of pulling the branches down and apart and fluffing them out to make it look a little more realistic. I put some boxes in the bottom of this vase to give it a little more height, and I'm just going to keep fluffing it out. Here's another look at the quality of the leaves. They look good. I mean, even close up they look good, but especially from far away. I was really pleased.